first one out.
Damn.
I would just sit behind him because we'll make it till it's time to go. It's team deathmatch, right?
Nigga put Halo on
They
there?
probably.
Take me that joint.
I think they do got capture the flag.
Yeah, we do. That's on the map. Okay. That's when we can go that one first.
Alright, bet.
Hey, okay.
Yeah, bet. Betski. It's about to rain too. We're really in the trenches.
In a castle.
Feel like we in Chicago.
Let's go to the.
We in Chirac, bro.
I know.
We in the wreck.
From here. Don't come here.
We in the wreck.
Bag on if you don't like it.
Oh, this shit about to hurt like a bitch, bro.
I didn't tell you this
Bro. I mean, you said what?
I don't think they do.
I don't think it do tighten and loosen, bro.
I've been trying my hardest.
Yeah, me, I've been trying to tell you.
Right,
We're about to go out there dry.
She said the paint is yellow.
You'll make sure y'all get that.
When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on one.
Guys, do you guys need to tighten up your mats in the back? Pull these two clips apart.
Oh, you taking pictures of that lamb, you don't own one. Oh, nigga stretching. Tight shit.
Time to get it in, bro.
Tight shit. Say what's up to the vlog.
Oh yeah, you guys.
Niggas is live reaction. We moving.
You heard me?
You heard me? You heard me?
Yeah. We pushing 30 low.
We're gonna be hurting in the morning.
Same.
Hey, I'm already. I know I'm not going out tonight.
Shit. Yeah.
Vic, man, I'm sure you guys are nice people. Seriously, it's Vic. It's
Say
really,
that. Y'all gonna see Vic.
It's been since middle school.
That's all y'all gonna hear.
Okay.
Ain't this what the Nazis used to wear?
Hey, yo.
But is it,
They're literally bad guys.
am I lying?
Hey, yo. Hey, yo, I'm dead.
I'm a child. Whoa, 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 whoa. She said, ready? Hold on, wait.
Oh, shit. I'm nervous as fuck, bro. Damn. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm bitching. I'm bitching.
Oh, we went to the same spot. What the heck? Oh.
I can't see, bro.
Are we good?
Alright, get outside, get outside. I can't see shit, bro. You good? Where you at? I can't see shit, bro. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Damn. You got hit? Oh shit! Yo, who am I left? Oh! Fuck.
Bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Yeah. I told you what it was.
Bitch, you good. I seen that.
Good run, dude.
Good shit, boy.
Good shit. That shit's alive.
Who got him?
I got him. I got him.
Shit.
I hit him in the body. You got him? I got him.
Hey, yo.
Think we gotta run up on him?
Bro, what's up with you, cuz?
Bro, hit him with a fucking stick and then light them the fuck.
You're gonna crash out over there.
I'm kind of scared. I ain't gonna lie to
No,
you.
like literally.
Hey, it happens. He's getting
I know,
riled
but
up.
Wait.
But they all right here, look. Oh shit. Fuck this, bro. Who am I? Oh, I bet.
Bro, where they at?
Me and Mir. All right, here, look. Fuck these
On the
girls.
left, no?
Ah, we cool right here. Oh, shit. Oh shit!
Oh, damn. They...
Fuck! No! Fuck that! Oh shit! Oh shit! My bad, Shaw! Oh!
I got one out.
What side you on, bro?
You said what?
You inside or outside?
I'm inside. I'm flanking.
Fuck these niggas at? Where they? Oh shit! Fuck, I'm out! I'm out!
Get a kill. I'm good.
Dead ass, they about to see a dead body.
We NPCs, bro. Not playing like it. I'm beat.
See?
No, I'm the beat, bro.
All right, bet. Yeah, that way. Yeah. See, yo, where we going when we get hit, bro?
Shot in the back. That's what we're
Yo, no. The nigga, he flanked.
Oh, I'm about to say.
Yeah, he was flanking.
I'm over it.
Oh, God.
Pussy. Oh shit, this shit about to hurt like a bitch. Oh damn! Pussy! Oh damn! I'm out! Damn. Oh shit!